Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for January 2015. Happy New Year Sagittarians. Venus enters the air sign Aquarius on January 3rd and you quite enjoy the mental pursuits. You want to spend time around other people for the mental stimulation they provide, and you're funny, smart and have lots to say. Make sure you write anything down that you want to remember so that you don't forget a good idea. In love, you can express yourself with words, writing love notes, poetry and maybe even songs. The Sun joins Venus in Aquarius on January 20th and you feel most like yourself when you're using your mind. You're interested in many different things and you will be pursuing all of them, Sagittarians. Now we also have Mercury that is not going to be playing nice, however, and Mercury enters Aquarius on 4th of January, but it starts twisting backwards around the 21st and it carries on staying retrograde till about 11th of February. And as we all know, the Mercury drill, not a great time to be starting new ventures, not a great time to be traveling, being extremely careful as far as your travel plans or your luggage is concerned, and also ensuring that all your communication, be it your SMSs or your emails, that you're watching out for the all the details over there. You could also find around this time that you're trying to express yourself, but it's just not coming out right, and you will have a hard time understanding others as well. So I would say, let the retrograde get over before you sort of do a grand big presentation, or you proclaim love, or you make some long lasting plans which require a lot of communication. So just wait till mid-Feb gets over. The Mars is going to be entering the water sign Pisces on January 12th and your energy becomes driven by your emotions. You're also driven to spend a lot of time with your family around this time, and you even people whom you consider as family, and you will be seeking out places that you find most comfortable, whether it's your home or it's a hotel that you, or maybe a resort that you frequent quite often, and you just you're extremely familiar and you're very comfortable and you love being at that place. Now Venus is going to be joining Mars on January 27th, and this is a time where you're going to be craving more comfort, support and encouragement from your loved ones, and you will be giving it right back to them as well. Now a full moon is going to be occurring in the water sign of Cancer on January 4th, and you can be very serious with this full moon. Your emotions run deep and you feel more strongly than usual. It's tempting to let this get the best of you, but you should try and pay attention to what's driving you, what you're feeling, and do something about it. If it's an issue you hide deep inside you, and that is it, that is being set off by some trigger, maybe it's time to be dealing with that issue, bringing it to light and finally healing from within, Sagittarians. A new moon occurs in Aquarius on January 20th and right around the start of Mercury retrograde in Aquarius. So this moon is a good time to be revisiting old ideas, revising, writing projects, reconciling with siblings or a neighbor, redoing something in your community, or buying refurbished electronics or maybe a used car. So quite an interesting start to the year, Sagittarians. Ensure that all the time that is being spent with your family, the love that you and the support that you're expecting, that you're also giving it back. And if there are certain emotional scars, it's time to be putting them to rest for good. Bring them to light, deal with it and close the chapter once and for all. Have a fantastic January. I'll see you again in February, and thank you so much.